So let's play with nested selectors. Here's our HTML and our CSS. We have 10, 11. We have a div. We have some immediate descendants. We have some multi-generational descendants, children of children, right? And then we have some more immediate descendants. And then we have some siblings following that div. So if we have div P, what's selected? What numbers? What is it? 12 through 21. Any P that's a descendant of a div. Okay? (12 through 21). If we have this, which numbers are selected? Any P that's a direct descendant, an immediate child of a div, that's going to be 12 through 16 and 20 through 21. What about if we have that, which is siblings following a div? It's going to be 22, 23, 24. Will it include 25 and 26 because there's a break? It includes 25 and 26. So all siblings following a div. And then we have plus 1, right? The first sibling following a div, it's going to be 22. Okay? You tell me, what's that one going to give? Tell me the numbers. Tell me the numbers, Z. All where?
From 12 to 26?
12 to 21. So all P's that are descendants of a div. So let's look at this too. What's that going to select? M. All P's. Okay, any P, format it. It's element selector. Formats all P's. What's that going to select, Angel? 12 through 21. Right, any P that's a descendant. When you have a div space, like when you have an element space, another element, means you read it like left to right, or you actually read it from right to left. Any paragraph that is a child of a div is what that says. Okay? Any paragraph that is a child of a div. Sometimes you'll see this, where it's like any div that has a class of POW, you know? Or you might see this, anything with a class of POW that's a child of a div, a descendant of a div. But we want this, which is any paragraph that's a descendant of a div. So that's going to be 12 through 21. What's this one? Oops. What's this one going to be? Now I've got weird. I've got sound effects. I have no idea what I just switched on. I'll have to watch the video and figure out what I switched on. Whatever. What's that one going to be, Henry? 12 through 16 and 20 through 21. So it's any immediate descendant. So any P that's an immediate descendant of a div. Okay? What's this one going to be? Henry, Angel, and Sabron? No. Sabriel? No. Shalom? Starts with an S. I don't know. What is it? Yeah, what's your name? Salvador. So any sibling of a div The siblings are at the same level of a div, so that's 22 through 26. Okay, you see that? Same level as a div. And then we have div plus p, which is any immediate one sibling plus one. What's that going to be? Henry, Angel, Salvador, and Richard. 22. It's going to be 22. Richard's got it. You've had some experience with this, Richard? Yeah. Cool. So you guys are all new to this. I'm going to give you some homework to reinforce it. HTML and CSS selectors.